Hello guys, let's see the merge sort in Python, the lazy way using sort method and the logic way without sort method. That being said, let's play with py. We will start with a sample list of numbers and see how to sort it using Python's built-in sort function, and then we will build merge sort from scratch just to understand how it really works under the hood. First method, use the built-in sort. Consider two input arrays named L1, L2, which are needed parameters for the function. Add both the list using plus operator, which is used as concatenation operator. Then use the sort function. Clean, fast and efficient, but you don't always learn what's happening inside. Now let's sort the merge list manually using two nested loops similar to a bubble sort. Manual method using loop based sorting involves in the swapping of values using the temporary variable if conditions met. Let's test both functions and compare the outputs. We take input from the user for both the list. The map and split functions convert space separated numbers to integers. Both methods produce the same result. If this helped, like this video and check out more simple Python concepts on the channel. Like, share, subscribe, and tap on bell icon for more such playful and awesome content. See you guys in the next one.